welcome here at Kuya Wayne's Regina. Hi. This is people from Weyburn. So hi guys, we're live here at Kuya Wayne's Regina. And yes, we're open today, holiday, August 5, 2019. So all three stores of Kuya Wayne's, Regina, Weyburn, and Moose Jaw are all open today, holiday. And we have lots of treats for you guys. Our food today, we have oh, sige Jara.
Yummy.
Yeah.
One with puto. And what's this?
Puchero.
Puchero.
Tagalog style.
Tagalog
Yes.
style. And we have sisig.
Ako.
And what's this?
Bopis.
Bupis. Wow.
Yeah.
It's so yummy.
Yeah.
And we
Say
have,
hi.
of course, our snacks.
Famous
Good
treats.
treats. So we have banana Q. Yummy.
Support Kuya Wayne, no?
We have our...
Huh? The rate is
Oh, the rate. My God, it's 39.20. Come here and have a padala na sa Pilipinas kasi
Mataas.
di ba?
What's our sale today, Jara?
Oh, we have
Okay, memorize.
our shrimp for only $4.99 and we have the noodle fish for $2.99. We have the tulingan for $2.99 and what else like? Oh, I memorized it.
Yeah. You check your Facebook. So guys, Kuya Wayne's Regina today is open 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. And that's every day, guys, including today, holiday, civic holiday. We are open 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. today. Our Weyburn is open 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. And our Moose Jaw store is open 10 a.m. till 8 p.m. All our treats, bubble tea, halo-halo, mango shake, all available today here at all Kuya Wayne's store. So bye-bye guys. So once again, our food today is sisig, bopis, sisig, puchero, dinuguan. We have palabok, banana Q, kwek, and them. So see you guys.